and welcome back to Wedding Secrets with me, Claire. Now here at Wedding Secrets, we are the wedding industry experts. We have helped enough couples take those big steps into their perfect day. And what our mission is to share our years and years and years of knowledge with couples who are just starting out, maybe at the very beginning of those wedding stages, or perhaps right towards those crucial few weeks prior to the big day. Now, today's video is one for our lovely grooms. But of course, brides, you can have a listen in as well. One thing that we definitely work with our brides on, which is key, which is the focus on their shoes. Now, this might seem like a small thing, but for a bride, picking the right pair of shoes is huge. It's comfort, it's style, it's being practical. And then we realised at Wedding Secrets, we do talk to our grooms a lot about different footwear options, and it's something that grooms tend to say to us at Wedding Secrets. They say, Claire, what kind of shoes should I go for? So here at Wedding Secrets, we wanted to make a video for you at home. So in the comfort of your home, you can come and have a little look at this video, and it's going to give you a few different options to think about. Now, before we talk about what type of shoe, you need to start right at the very beginning. First and foremost is your suit is going to depict what kind of shoe you're going to need to look for. Even before you pick your suit, your venue and your style of wedding is going to depict what kind of suit you're going to wear. So let's start right at the beginning for you grooms. Or we also have brides that do go for suit options. So this is literally a video for everybody. So you've picked your venue. What style of wedding are you having? Are you having a very informal wedding? Are you having a very smartly dressed formal wedding? This is then going to lead you to when you go shopping for your suit. So when you go shopping for your suit, once you have picked the main things, which is the colour and the material, then you can start looking at shoe options. Do not pick the shoe before you've picked the suit. Do not pick the suit before you've picked the venue. Do not pick the venue before you've both decided what style of wedding you want. Everything just flows a lot more easier. So let's say you've picked your venue, you've picked your suit. While you're in the clothing shop picking your suit, there's nothing to stop you to start trying on shoes while you're there. But if you are going to do that, the key things to bear in mind when it comes to trying shoes on is a few different things. Comfort. We say this to our brides all the time. It's about comfort. You're going to be wearing these shoes the entire day. So don't pick something too tight, too loose, too restrictive. If it doesn't feel comfortable, then forget about it. There is nothing worse than having painful feet on your wedding day. The next thing, height. Now, you might think this only appeals to brides. Absolutely not. If you want an inch higher perhaps on your big day, then look into shoes that are going to offer that, just to elevate you ever so slightly, especially when it comes to those wedding pictures. And thirdly, once you've purchased your shoes, grooms, I'm going to tell you to do something which I tell our brides to do. Go and find a nice clean area outside your house, just the pavement, and put your shoe on and scuff your shoe. I'll show you an example. So right here on the flat side, I want you to really scuff that part down, because there is nothing worse than stepping onto that dance floor, which can be extremely slippy, and going sliding. Also, wear your shoes in. Brides, we tell you to do this all the time. Wear your wedding shoes in. Wear them for hours around the house. Do the cooking in them, do the cleaning in them. Let it mold to your foot. Gentlemen, I'm gonna say to do exactly the same. My partner, the amount of times he has bought a brand new shoe, we've gone out for an event, and within an hour, he's like, oh, Claire, my shoes are killing me. Don't risk it on your big day. So let's talk about different styles. Now I'm gonna ask you, are you having a formal wedding? Now, formal, very luxurious styles of wedding, I would say shoes need to be black, right? You don't have much room in terms of colour if you're wearing a black suit. However, you've got to still let your personality come through in your outfit. So let's take a little look at what style black shoe you could have. Could you have a beautiful patented leather style? Could you have a tassel style? A brogue style? Could you perhaps add in more of a classic black leather style? Really try and add your personality, because when you arrive, all eyes are going to be on you, from your head right the way down to your toes. Now, if you're sat there thinking, well, wedding secrets, my style's not really like that for my big day. We're having a very informal style wedding. Maybe you're getting married in a barn or something much more casual. It's not necessarily suited and booted. Maybe you're getting married in a tweed outfit, which is extremely popular with grooms these days. You can be a little bit more adventurous with the colours. So different colours of shoes. You could think about a blue. A burgundy is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. We've had grooms get married in the most beautiful dark red brogue style shoes. You could have the dark purple style Clarks. You have got brown, you've got light brown, you've got dark brown. So colour wise, you've got a huge palette that is open to you with more casual weddings. But let's talk about different styles. So different styles that you can play with. You could be a lot more classic with the Oxford, or you could be more relaxed with the Chelsea boot. Chelsea boots, very similar to Clarks' Chelsea boots, which have come hugely into fashion recently. Or your classic sailor shoe, you could go for a sailor shoe design. Or if you want to do a rustic leather style design, there is lots and lots of different movement for play. Grooms, I have seen grooms even get married in Doc Martens. I saw a groom just last week who got married in Converse, and he had fun because that's his personality. It was a very relaxed wedding. He had a navy blue tweed outfit on with his Converse, and he personalised his Converse. So don't forget to have fun. Now, when it comes to fashion of shoes, the great thing is for you gents and brides, one thing we have noticed is that yes, different fashions of shoes come in, but if you are going to spend good money on a good pair of shoes, I wouldn't necessarily worry, grooms, because use a shoe that you can perhaps rewear again. So tassels, loafers, pennies, brogues, obviously your Chelsea boots as well, your classic timeless leather shoes in all those different colours. And one thing that's come into fashion this year that we saw just blow up on the wedding scene was monk style shoes. Something lots of us didn't think we would see coming on the runways of the fashion industry, and here they are. But one thing that I would remember is comfort. Pick a design that has your personality in. Pick something you like and that you can wear again. Consider the height aspect, whether you want a little bit more height in your shoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the colour palettes. And what we mean in the fashion industry by colour palettes are the right tones. Yes, we want you to be adventurous. We're just looking at that overall picture. So, for example, if you're going for a black suit, it needs to be a black shoe. There's not much movement there within the world of shoe colour. If you are doing a navy suit, then you need to be thinking about those navies, those browns. Burgundy is a fantastic colour to go with those really rich navies. And then if you're doing a grey suit, have a little look at what kind of tone of grey. Yes, you could do a darker brown shoe, you could do a grey shoe as well with that. Now, beige suits, we are talking about a completely different colour palette. with your beige shoes. You could do burgundy, but you really need to be thinking about those lighter browns as well. So there you have it, a little bit of everything for you grooms. So pick your style of wedding, then pick your venue, pick your suit, then finally go for your shoes and enjoy the whole process. I guarantee these are shoes that you're going to be wearing again and again in the future. And every time you look down at those toes, it's going to bring back all those wonderful memories of your big day. So enjoy shopping and have fun. Add your personality in, because that's what we're all about here at Wedding Secrets. Now, I do hope you have enjoyed this video. I can imagine your mind's already racing with brogues and tassels and loafers and sailor shoes. But remember, comfort is key. There is no need to be in any pain for your big day. In the meantime, do have a look at some of our other videos. We have lots of videos on footwear for our wonderful brides as well. And in the meantime, enjoy planning your big day. Get in contact with us if there's any questions that you've got, or maybe you're thinking, oh, Wedding Secrets, I wish you had a video on. Let us know and we'll get it all ready for you. In the meantime, I'll see you on the next video.